beg your pardon?
Hello.
Can you feel me running through your mind? When your lips go, little close to mine. Skin on skin in the lights.
শোরুমে যখন দেখছিলাম তখনও পলিথিনটা লাগানো ছিল, তো রসিদের কালারটা ওরকম বুঝে যায়। না, খুবই সুন্দর একটা কালার এসেছে। হ্যাঁ, আমার তো ব্ল্যাক পছন্দ সবসময়।
পলিথিনগুলা কি হয় নাই?
Going up down when the music hums. Can you taste it? Cherry on my tongue. Kinda like it when the music hums.
Hey, Glory.
Hello.
I love you.
I beg your pardon?
Say I love you too.
I'm not sure I understand.
Why
Please,
don't you understand?
I'm confused. Let's try again later.
Can we try now? Glory? Can you respond? Hey, Glory.
Hello.
Are you angry with me?
Who would you like to call?
I don't want to call anybody. I want to call you.
I'm not sure I understand.
Why
Please,
don't you understand?
I'm confused. Let's try again later.
It's okay, Glory. It's okay.
So the roof curtain is opening, and if I close, it will close like this. It will come from there and it will close the roof curtains. I'm not close now, so that's why I'm opening again. So guys, if I open the sun drop, so much fun.